Hey y'all, welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. Where's the dang boy? Adam had some personal business to take care of out of town. He's not available to be here today. I'm going to handle the follow-up today. I hope y'all are down with that. I'm just going to go over comments to the last project video and y'all's answers to the previous weekly question and stuff. I'll wait till Adam's here so we could go over y'all's answers together, and then we'll ask you a new weekly question then. So until then, we'll go over this thing. Also, real briefly, some of y'all may be seeing a lot of videos going around YouTube right now about COPPA, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, and the FTC and stuff. If you haven't seen any of that, a quick breakdown is YouTube/Google got in trouble because they were busted collecting personal information on kids, which is illegal, and they got in a lot of trouble. Per FTC regulations, content creators now have to use their own discretion to decide whether your content is made for kids or not made for kids, and if you don't decide correctly, you get in big trouble. A big ol' fine, like car note size fine. I think we're okay here, this channel, because none of it is really geared towards kids, and I don't think any of it is appealing to children. I have like 4 or 5 videos that I marked as made for kids, even though the woodworking by nature I don't really think is appealing to kids. The fact that like the Harry Potter wand and stuff like that, kids might watch it, and if I don't mark it as made for kids, we get drunk. Basically, just to be on the safe side. But the rest of everything, I don't think it's made for kids. So I think we're gonna be all right here. But it has a lot of people upset about it, and for good reason too. There's a lot of good content creators that are worried right now. If y'all want to know any more about that stuff, I'll include a video down in the description so y'all can check it out. But anyways, the beach follow-up table. I called it a writing desk in the video. That's what it could be. I use it as a desk when we're not making follow-ups at it. You know, I can edit videos at it. What's going on here, man? Oh yeah, and also, since Adam's not here, we don't really have a Thanksgiving replacement, but I have a sore throat, so y'all can watch me suffer one of these Vicks VapoCool sore throat things. # not sponsored. These are awful. They help, but they're not pleasant at all. It's literally like just taking a glob of vapor rub and just pop it in there. Anyways, let's see what y'all had to say about the follow-up table, man. Heard from Luke what was that? I think it was a bird. Heard from Luke Silverfish. Luke, you like the table? I had strawberry milk in that. Gotta rep the strawberry milk. Step it up with some quality blue milk, he says. Just wait till May, Luke. That's all I'm telling you. Where am I at with the Thor's hammer? I'll get back with you. Harry Gary, HTFG. Gary, like the table? How wide is it? That's a good question, Gary. I think I measured it in the shop, but I may not have. It's about 65.5 inches. 65.5 inches, a little over 5 feet. How many days of sanding did it take? Not much, actually, Gary. But I went over it a whole lot with the belt sander. That took forever. Going over it with 120 grit took a long time, and then the 220 grit, I kind of breezed through that one. I will have to tell Adam that he needs to get an ugly Christmas sweater so he will look more professional. Michael Russell, beautiful table, thanks, bud. I do like it. This beach is very pretty. Mike Lang, maybe some shellac or lacquer would offer some protection for the top. Would have liked some close-up shots of the results. Could use an outfeed table in the future. So, Mike, I will get you some close-up shots. Check it out. So, Mike, I went ahead and cleared the table. It's the beech. Look, this is great because I've never been that interested in beech because it seems like a very common, sort of boring wood, honestly. But when I looked at it in my hardwood store, I didn't realize that it had all this really cool stuff going on. Because I went there to get white oak, and they were out of white oak, and Dave up there was like, you ever try beech? And so I was like, sure. See, I really like stuff like this. This is why this is my side of the follow-up table. Is Adam gets the swirly stuff, but I like this knot right here. And then the hairpin legs. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, I'm thinking that I will probably go over this with some lacquer or shellac or something in the future, because I've just been seeing a lot of like walrus oil and stuff, like an oil / wax furniture finish, and I really like the way it looks, and that's what I thought I was going to do with this, but yeah, it doesn't offer the protection I need, and I was thinking, since, it's not like a dinner table, I won't need that much protection, but me and Adam eating crazy stuff and whatnot, it's probably going to need it. That was all y'all's comments on the follow-up table. I'm pretty happy with it. I got the hairpin legs, but I need to get some washers for the hairpin legs because the screws are a little too long, so it's a little tippy. Y'all, this stuff is nasty. Yeah, so we'll go over the last follow-up stuff when Adam is back and he could be here for it. Also, another thing of business, I put a video up on the Means Woodshop Facebook page. And a lot of y'all that follow that page have probably seen that. I'll go ahead and say something here for anybody that didn't see it. So Adam and I, we really enjoy making follow-ups for y'all, and we both have a lot of fun with that. And we have a lot of fun making content together. So both of us would like to make some more videos together. Adam ain't a woodworker. He likes woodworking, but he's not a woodworker. So there's not a lot for him to do in the shop. He and I have come up with some ideas for some stuff that we both can do that is woodworking related, so fear not. That would be a lot of fun. Testing woodworking hacks, doing woodworking experiments, a lot of stuff like that. And we think it'll be really funny, entertaining, and there should actually be some good information in there too for y'all. Fear not. Change makes you a little uncomfortable. Don't worry about it. Still all woodworking related. It's not really any YouTube-y stuff that's pushing us to make these kind of changes. It's more of just we want to do some more videos together that we think would be entertaining for y'all, and of course still woodworking related that'll have good information in there, and it'll probably be pretty funny, so y'all will enjoy it. So anyways, I think that's all I got. I think y'all really enjoy Friday's video. It's a good one. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to this channel because we have brand new videos every Friday and Wednesday, and there's going to be that new content coming y'all's way. So click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. I'm spitting it out. I got the numbing effect off of it, so I'm spitting it out now.